Kirk Rouse and Sean Thomas are more than just stepbrothers. They're business partners. Rouse and Thomas, co-vice presidents of Leesburg Concrete Company in Leesburg, Florida, have grown their family precast concrete business significantly since signing on to help their parents in 2000. Thanks to their dedication to a quality product and plenty of hard work, what was once a small 2.5-acre standard products plant has evolved into a 30-plus acre precast powerhouse. And although Leesburg Concrete continues to manufacture standard products, including stairs and ramps, the company prides itself on the custom work which defines its business today. Join Thomas as he walks you through Leesburg Concrete's expansive production facility.
This is the frame shop. We've got a table saw, a backup table saw, a band saw, a chop saw, big area to do side forms. And so this is where all of our forms are made, and Scott Warb's our master carpenter. And so we stage everything in here and do that. For our buildings and stuff, we've got an area here that we stage all the product for each individual building. So they bring it into here and they classify it by the job number. We go out here next door and we got the weld shop. And we make handrails in here for the modular steps and ramps. And we also make custom handrails. These two pieces here are jigs, a square jig for steps and a slanted jig for ramps. And those are just different types of jigs that go inside the concrete. And they're steel formed, so that jig is a hard jig, so it's made the same way every time.
Leesburg Concrete's custom precast pieces are made possible thanks to the company's cutting-edge mixer and ample production space. With plenty of room to work and the technology to manufacture nearly anything, Leesburg Concrete's production staff is always well equipped to get the job done.
That's a 2-yard countercurrent mixer. And the whole system, ACT calls that a mobile mat mixer system. This whole system is made to be set up and taken down in remote locations. It would just come apart in sections and then go back together in sections. This is a really cool stacker because you can have the bin full of material and not have the belt running, and then you just turn the belt on and away it goes. It just automatically takes it up the hill. This shed here is 60 feet wide and it's 300 feet long. So it's a nice football field with, we've got 2 10-ton bridges with 2 5-ton hoists. The mixer system down here now, you can kind of see what we've got. The call station is here at the bottom of the mixer. And so from this point, he can see everything on the shed and he can see his board in here. That's why we've got the windows in the front of the control room. He's looking at the board in here and he's monitoring what's going on with the mixer. Up top here, you've got your weigh scales that's showing all of his weighing out of aggregates and sand and cement and water are all accurate. And then over here is a computer generated basically screen showing this live section on the screen, and that's what it does. It's a really automated system that really helps us get everything together. This is our original product line. These are steps. These are unit step forms made by the Unit Step Form Company, and we're a Unit Step franchise for about 30 years. And these are steps and ramps. We have commercial steps, we have residential steps, and commercial ramps. You're looking out there at our stock. It shows you, extremely consistency in our batch for one thing. That stock's looking at out there, and we got consistency in the product because we use these steel forms all the time. And we've got this other building over here. It's got 2 cranes in it. It's got a lower head height in it and a smaller capacity of the crane. The bridges in here are 7.5 tons apiece. They got single hoist on them. It's a 200 foot by 60 foot building. So it's a nice building, and what we have in here are the lower profile products that we don't have to have a lot of hook height to turn.
By effectively navigating through a tumultuous recession and reorienting their business strategy, Rouse and Thomas have placed Leesburg Concrete in a lucrative position. With a commitment to hard work and a desire to never settle for just good enough, the company is poised for continued success now and into the future.